Hey guys, we've got Owen here to show you our new Just Like Home workshop from Step 2. It is the perfect addition to our play area. Owen, you want to show everybody some of your favorite pieces real quick?
My favorite piece is this.
Oh, the table saw? Show them all the pieces of wood that comes with it that you can pretend to build things with. With the saw, yep. Where are the pieces of wood? And it tucks nicely back under the entire workbench, which is so nice for organizing. What's that?
The drill.
What else did you get?
This.
You have so many tools, Owen. Are there any drawers on here to open up? Can you show me where? Even more, huh? And a sink to wash your hands in? Very cool. Can you say thank you to Step 2?
Thank you.
For being a part of the foam home?
Thank you.
Look at how cute, you guys. And when you have this go, the light flashes and it drills. So many pieces. Such a fantastic product. And one that I know we are going to have for years and years for Max to use when he grows up.